Decoding English. Formal assessment methods for collocation knowledge. Hello, learners. Welcome back to another episode in our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today, we are going to delve deeper into an essential aspect of mastering collocations: formal assessment methods. These methods help us gauge your understanding and grasp of collocations. Let's get started. Formal assessment is a systematic approach to evaluate how much a learner has absorbed from the instruction. It provides quantifiable, standardized data that can be used to compare progress over time or against set learning objectives. In our case, it's used to measure how well you understand and use English collocations. There are several types of formal assessment methods, but today, we will focus on three major types. Subsection 1. Tests and quizzes. These are the most common types of formal assessments. Tests and quizzes provide a quick and easy way to measure a learner's understanding. For collocations, they may ask you to fill in the blanks, match collocations, or use them in sentences. Subsection 2. Projects and presentations. Projects and presentations are comprehensive assessment tools. They allow you to demonstrate your understanding and application of collocations in a more realistic and creative way. You could be asked to create a piece of writing or an oral presentation using specific collocations. Subsection 3. Portfolios. Portfolios are collections of a learner's work over a period. They can include tests, written assignments, presentations, and other pieces of evidence that demonstrate your growth in understanding and using collocations. Portfolios allow for ongoing assessment and show progress over time. The choice of the right assessment method depends on what exactly you want to evaluate and how you prefer to demonstrate your understanding. While tests might be suitable for evaluating specific knowledge, projects, presentations, and portfolios allow for a more comprehensive, in-depth assessment of your skills. And there we have it. A quick introduction to formal assessment methods in the context of learning English collocations. Remember, these methods are tools to help you gauge your understanding and progress. Don't be daunted by the term assessment. Instead, view it as a stepping stone on your path to mastering English collocations. As always, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your skills and don't be afraid to test yourself regularly. We hope this video has been informative and useful. See you in the next episode where we'll continue exploring the exciting world of English language learning.